Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasser Ahmed. So in this video, we're going to be looking at advanced spreadsheet functions. And if you check out the previous videos, we've already completed these topics here so far. So now we're going to be looking at lesson 11, and we're going to be using some functions for time. So let's go to the sheet. And what we have here are some times. And notice some times are PM and some times are AM. So to start off with, guys, what we're going to be using is the hours function, the minutes function, and the seconds function to extract values from here. So the first thing we're going to do is extract the hour, and the hour is going to be this first value here. And since it's PM, it's going to be should be extracted as 15. So let's have a look. So equals hour returns hour as a number from 0 to 23. Okay, so if I click on hour and then click on this time here, we should see 15 because 3 in PM is 15. And if I was to change this to AM, it changes to 3. Let's change it back to PM and drag this down. Let's now look at minutes. So again, equals minute. Returns a minute, a number from 0 to 59. So again, we're going to be extracting now these middle values here, 35, 35, 40, and so on. We can drag this down. And now we're going to extract seconds. So similar to the minute, returns a second a number from 0 to 59. So it's going to be these last values here. So we should see 5 only when I close the bracket. Yes. And then we can drag this down. Okay, so let's just look at these questions now. So we have a start time, 9 a.m., and an end time, 2:30 p.m. So what we want to do is use the hours function to work out the hours between start and end time. You have to minus the end time with the start time. So what I'm going to do first of all is only want the hours. So if I click on here, hour, click on the end time first, that will extract the hours, minus the hours from this start time. And let me change the format to general. So we've got 5 hours between 9 a.m. and 2:30. Okay. But now what we want to do is work out a time difference and output it in a text format. So first you need to work out the time difference. So what we're going to do is equals text, and we're going to minus this cell with this cell. And then we want to display it in hours and minutes. So HH colon minute, close the speech marks, close the brackets, and the time difference is 5 hours and 30 minutes. So if I was to change this to 10 minutes, that should change accordingly. And if I was to change this to 10 hours, then that should reduce down to 4. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so what we looked at in this video, guys, is the hour function, the minute function, the second function, and then taking away from 2 values 2 times, and then displaying the time in a particular format. Okay, so hours and then minutes, using a text function as well. We're just going to use the subtotal function again. We did look at this in the last video as well. So if I type in here subtotal, I want to count the number of times, so we can use count A, comma, 1, 2, 3. We've got 6 different times there. So count A counts any cell unless it's empty. The average hours. So again, subtotal. So we want the average, which is 1, comma, and then the hours. And the total hours, again, let's do the subtotal and then we can finish off. So we want the sum of the hours. That's going to add up all of these hours. And if I increase this to 5, or here, got 100 hours, and the average has also changed. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, it makes sense using the hours function, the minutes function, and the seconds function. Please join me in the next video. And also, please like and share, drop your comments below, and good luck if you have exams coming up soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.